Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. No? So today, we are going to react to a new song of SB19, which is ito ay isang kanta na collaboration nila or ginawa nila for GCash. Alam naman natin na GCash is one of sponsor and ninong ng SB19, and I mean, if sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no, or sa mga hindi aware, SB19 is always making bangers out of like commercials or advertisement sa mga sponsor nila, no? Banger song, like actual banger song na pwede lang gawin sa parang mismong kanta mismo, but binibigay lang nila for advertisement. So I'm really excited with this, no? Title is Make It Merry. So title pa lang alam natin, this is, for Christmas theme. Again, it's November. We're in the middle of November, right? Yeah. Today's 14, so we're almost in the middle of November. Almost December. So, I mean, without no further ado, let's get it. Nabuhin pa nga.
Kumikislap ang mga tanawin, pero may unting bigat ng feeling.
I mean, sa beat pa lang nito, alam mo ng Paskong Pasko, pero yung la 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 la, parang parang choir sa background, no?
Lapang mga tanawin, pero
hindi mo ba maramdaman ang simoy ng Pasko niya? Sa ganong klase ng parang parang ad-lib sa background. Also, yung malabig na boses ni Justin, by the way.
kislap ang mga tanawin,
La 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 la.
pero may unting bigat ng feeling. Tila kay bilis araw at gabi, hinahabol ang bawat sandali. Sa gitna ng alon ng gawain, Pasko'y sabay nating salubungin. Ang bawat salo-salo, make it merry, kasama ang pamilya mo. Ang bawat regalo, make it merry, galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, i-GCash mo. Make it merry.
What did I told you? No? Man. I mean, yung kantang to, no, yung melody ng kanta, para talaga siyang for advertisement, no? Hindi mo pagkakaila na for advertisement siya. Lalo na pagdating ng chorus, na part, yung melody ng chorus, make it merry, i-GCash mo. Like, parang yung end point ng melody is sobrang pang advertisement. But you see that it's hard to explain. It's a fucking banger of a song, no? Onting tweak lang sa melody ng chorus, you can make this as a standalone song.
Merry, galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, i-GCash mo. Make it merry, i-GCash mo.
Hey.
Make it merry, i-GCash mo. Make it merry, i-GCash mo. Make it merry, i-GCash mo. Kasama na uli ang barkada. Bit-bit ang
Isang
mga
la 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 la. Sorry.
barkada, bit-bit ang mga sorpresang dala. Napapawi ang pagod sa tuwa at pagmamahal sa bawat isa. Pakiramdam ay mas gumagaan, dala ay hindi na mapigil.
what did I told you, man? Kung gagawa ka ng kung gahanap ka ng kakanta, like, you know, na yung gagawa ng parang a song sa brand mo, sobrang worth it. All I'm trying to say is sobrang worth it na kuhain ng SB19 if you want to have a good like theme song or kanta sa business mo or sa brand mo, and it's a fucking banger, you know. Kung mag-sponsor ka or magbabayad ka na lang din paggawa ng kanta, I mean, doon ka na sa worth it, right?
Bawat regalo, make it merry. Galing sa puso mo. Galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, Gcash mo.
Make it merry.
Gcash mo. Make it merry, Gcash mo. Make it merry, Gcash mo. Make it merry, Gcash mo. Whoa, whoa, let's go. Regalo for everyone, kahit ano pa yan.
Parang Glock 9 Yung cadence na ginamit.
Make it merry, Gcash mo.
Oh.
Regalo for everyone, kahit ano pa yan. Make it merry, merong magaan na bayaran. Wishlist mo na sobrang dami, grabe. Make it merry, sa payment na super easy. Para sa bonggang handaan. Make it merry sa isang scan. Kahit make it merry sa isang nabigayan. Bawat scan, bawat tap.
Yung features ng Gcash, no? Nice.
Make it merry, may payment todo. Oh, 18, alam nang gagawin ha. Ang bawat salo. Make it merry. Sama ang pamilya mo. Ang bawat regalo. Make it merry. Galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, Gcash mo.
Hey. Hey. Tatatak na naman to sa mga utak natin pa ulit-ulit, no? Make it merry, Gcash mo.
Make it merry, Gcash mo. Kaya naman ngayong Pasko, make it merry, Gcash mo.
Let's go, man. Alright, well again, that is SB19. Make it merry, Gcash mo. Let's go. I mean, sabi na you're gonna make a banger na naman, no? I mean, recently, grabe, no? Sobrang, if you think about it, sobrang busy ng SB19, no? I don't know kung kailan ni-record to, tong sa Gcash, maybe matagal na, no? Nakahanda na siya matagal na. But if you guys remember, meron din silang Burn the Flame. And the process of recording a song, making the beat, is hindi siya ganun kadali, no? Hindi siya abutin ng isang linggo lang and then okay na. Hindi. So, tagal pa siya, like writing the lyrics, di ba? Gagawa ng beat, di ba? Yung during recording yan, pwede pang may mabago, di ba? Kasi pag ayaw nila ng gatong melody ng verse na to, or lyrics, parang mampangit, maybe we can change this, or also on the beat, right? Ang dami pwede mangyari. And at the same time, they're doing a tour, no? Sa album nilang, sa EP lang simula at wakas, which is, of course, katatapos lang din nilang gawin, di ba? Natapos nila yung album, yung EP this year as well. But they have this, Gcash, no? They have Burn the Flame, which is, a song for HOK. Now they have Gcash for Make It Merry for Gcash. And I don't even know saan nila siningit yung time para gawin to, no? Sobrang mga busy tao, but still, producing banger songs, or even song na for advertisement na still quality, no? But yeah, that is again SB19. Make It Merry, Gcash mo. I'm not sponsored by Gcash, but I mean, let's be honest, fucking Gcash is so useful right now. Alright, well, that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yung, Well, if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song na reactin tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.